What's up, everybody? We're standing right at the gates of Mr. Lance Burton, the magician himself. This is his property. I wonder if I should knock on his gate and ask for permission so I could detect his yard and dig a bunch of holes with my spade shovel. Do you think that'll fly? I don't. So I guess we're gonna go right across the street to Sunridge Heights Park and get our detect on. Yeah, boy. I know some of you guys have been telling me that you like to watch my videos during lunch, but you just ain't got 20 minutes to kill. So I'm gonna try to fit these videos into 10-minute videos. That way you could squeeze them in. I don't know what this might be, but I'm getting a solid 2, 1 arrow down. And then it bounces to a 15. What in the heck? Okay, where? Oh, Jesus, man. 2 to a 15. Boing, boing, boing. Bobby pin clip. Second signal. High tone, 25 to 28. Three arrows down. It's even higher than a 20. It's like a 31. Right in here. Oh, dude. Hey, look what I found, man. The heck is it? Yeah, God, I want to say it's a coin, man, because it's round, and only because it's round. I don't know what this is, man. Looks like a washer that was welded. I have no idea. Garbage. Number 2. All right, guys, so here we are. We're standing dead smack in front of old Lance Burton's house, and I got a signal right here. Not a great signal, at least not a number that I got a 9 and a 27. 9, 27. Let's get the 27. Let's see. Okay, Tech Point's got it at 27. Let's just use the XP right now. See if it can sniff anything out. What? What's that? Oh. Oh, guys, look at this. It is it is what I think it is, dude. It is a ring. Look at that. It's got the plug in it still and everything. Oh, man. Like I said, man, and I have another 8 signal right next to it. The 8 signal is supposed to be better than this. I wasn't even going to dig this because it was a 27. 27 signal. See if there's any writings in here. I don't see no writings in it. Just a mood ring. Some sort of a mood ring. Not bad, huh? A ring is a ring. Bling bling. Ring is a ring. I'll take it. How about one of these guys? Anybody down for some Bear Grylls action? Yummy. All right. Oh my. 28 to 31, 4 arrows down. Okay. That sounds like a quarter, about 6 inches down though. Tech Point says it's got it over here. There we are, my friends. What'd I tell you? A quarter, 6 inches down. That was it. And I knew it would be because the digger, the Lesh digger, is 6 inches from tip to that. And I got it all the way down into there. You can see. One good swipe will bring you to 6 inches. See, man, as you start doing this, you're gonna get your depths about right. And the deeper the target, the bigger the plug I've got to cut. You know, because I want to be able to push it all back like this. You know. Now, the trick to digging a good plug, guys, is you want to give it a hinge. What I do is I cut a smiley face, right? I start up here at about 1 o'clock, and I come all the way around, and then I end it at about 10 or 11. But it'll give me a little hinge like a toilet seat. And when you lift the toilet seat, it allows all the roots and everything to still have a way to get nutrients from the rest of the grass that's behind it to feed it, because I already cut all the roots on this side to get the lid up, you know. And I just don't want a bunch of dead grass. I mean, you got dead spots all over the place. I mean, even if dogs come out here and take a leak on the ground, that tends to burn up the grass. But we do what we can do, right? All right, guys, off to the next target. All right. 15 signal, 2 arrows down. 15 signal, 2 arrows. Garrett should be able to get that. Oh, definitely. Garrett says it's like right on the surface. You know what I used to like, man? When it would say that it's on the surface, I used to just take a probe like this and just go into the ground and just tap the ground. And normally I don't have to dig a hole. I could just hit the ground and pop it out like here. See? There you go. No need to dig. When you hear it and it sounds like it's that close, you could just take a probe and just start poking into the ground. You should be able to hit it, pull it back, and then pop it out without even having to dig a plug. So, the notorious Conor McGregor pull tab. Yes. Looks like a Canadian coin. Some sort. Yeah. Centus. Hey, oh, 1 centus. Would it be Mexican? I don't know. All right, guys. 29.30. 2 arrows down. 29.30 sounds like a quarter. We always break for quarters. Yeah. Hey, 4 quarters is $1, man. You gotta break for quarters. I wouldn't care what anybody says. Oh, there it is right there. Boom. Quarter action. Oh man, I was over there. I was hitting up some good targets, but man, the kids kept hearing my detector fire off on stuff, and they're like, oh, he found another one, he found another one, and they're just all over me, dude. So I had to get up out of that area. I'm actually out here a lot longer than I thought I would be. You know, I just can't stop at 10 targets, man. I mean, such a great day. I'm having a lot of fun. When you get out here by yourself, man, and you're just all alone, just you and your detector, you and the ground, you know, it's I don't know, man. It's like a soul-searching experience. I mean, just take a look at this view, man. I don't know if you can catch it. I'm gonna do a little pan. You've got these multi-million-dollar homes that are up on the hills. You know, a cool little park. All the kids are coming out after school to come play basketball. You know, people picnicking all over the place. Little soccer player guys. All right, guys, we got a number 4. Number 4, 1 arrow down. Please let this be something tight. Number 4, 1 arrow down. Oh, it says it's right on the surface. Down. Okay. Oh, come on, dude. Oh, what is this? A ketchup packet? That's a number 4, 1 arrow. Yeah, right, man. Check this one out. This is a number 17. It's one of them China keys, man. Somebody lost this China key. Pretty cool, man. I don't know, man. I don't know what it says. I don't read Chinese. But nevertheless, nice key. Guys, I think I've dug up more like 50 targets already today, man. And I would love to just stay out here and dig another 50, but the sun is starting to come down. I got to do a wrap up. You know as well as I do how this works out. I still got 3 hours of editing just to get this footage up to you. So I'm gonna do a closeout, man. I would love to just stay out here, dude. I should have started off the day a little bit earlier. Guys, unbelievable. Check this out. Another goddamn mood ring. Look at this, dude. This is number 2. Check it out. Remember the first one I found today? Look, number 1, number 2. 2 mood rings. 2 of them, buddy. Exactly the same type. Look at that. Look at that. Ho ho ho, buddy. Matching sets. Look. Oh, this one's got a little baby foot in it. Look at that. Hold on, man. Let me see. I was going to walk off on this too, man. It was a 20 signal. You know what 20 signals are. 20 signals are normally those stinking zinkins. Hate them. But dude, this is nice. Yeah. It's a mood ring with a little baby foot on it. Cute, man. A 2-ring day. All right. Dude, I kept on saying I'm about to head over to that picnic table to do a closeout, but as I'm heading towards the picnic table, I'm still sweeping coil. Alrighty, man, so we're gonna go ahead and do a closeout here, right in front of the old mansion. Homeboy's house up there. I'm doing it right here in front of his house. So let's take a look and see what we found here today. Alright, so not including the hey, look, another find, surface find, a car remote. Add that to the list. All right, so not including all of the junk that we found, which was about 25 targets. These are all the other stuff here, and it looks like we're gonna have quarters, nickels, dimes, pennies. I got one, I don't know what that is, Mexican penny, Mexican coin or whatever. But here we go. This is all our finds for this evening. Probably about $3 or $4 in quarters. Yeah, wish I could have had some better rings for you. Just looks like 2 mood rings. One of them has a little juicy little footprint on it. Whatever. A rabies dog tag. Yeah. And that's it, man. There it is. Equinox action. Yeah, buddy. So again, thank you so much for coming out with me. Joey again, Vegas Detects, trying to get as much footage out for you guys. And it's a wonderful, lovely day, man. The fall is here. The weather is so nice. I can get to come out and do the things that I love doing. And damn, dude, Halloween is what? 2 days away. So if I don't get back and see you guys before then, I want to wish everybody a happy Halloween. But I'm pretty sure I'll get another video out before then. You guys take it easy.